Hi guys. So guys, I bring some fresh meat for my eagle baby. So I will cut it in piece. So I will feed him. I will cut it. So he will. Feed him. Feed him some energy. As you see, they will eat all. That's great. So this is how I feed him. Look at he just it's like see no. Guys, you can see I will feed him more meat. Maybe he is now full. He is eating more. His chicken breast he will eat. Just eat it. Eat it. He don't like maybe. He eating. Huh? He don't eat chicken breast anymore. He don't like chicken breast.